Danielle Ward and I'm a creative consultant and stylist from London and a mother of one. My job is very varied and I wear lots of different hats. I work with a lot of small businesses, so I might manage their social media accounts. I create content for some clients. I'm a fashion stylist, a personal stylist, so our days are quite busy, so we're out all the time. And all around London as well. I think as a new mum, I'm really lucky that the clients that I have and the work that I do, it's so okay for you to bring a baby with you. It's just the navigating how you get there and how you get home. But the PIPA Urban is so light and so easy. It's literally just click and go, and the in and out of a cab, it's seamless. Not putting a seatbelt on is completely game changing. You're consistently thinking, is it on right, is it tight enough? But with the PIPA Urban, you don't need to do that. The speed at which I could install it, it's a dream for someone that needs to be in lots of different places on the same day.